This is Muhammad Zahid with Engineering Training Platform. From this training platform, you will able to learn step-by-step PLC and to get high score in interview and certification. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about Profinet device types, Profinet profiles, and PLC questions and answer. For your convenience, I already link in below description for my previous presentation. Please subscribe, likes and press the bell icon to get the further notification. Now we will discuss about Profinet device types. Devices on a Profinet network are connected through a switch. Siemens offers a variety of standalone network switches, and many Siemens control devices have a built-in switch with one or more Profinet ports. A Profinet system consists of the following devices: I/O controller, I/O devices, I/O supervisory, and proxy. In I/O controller are devices which execute an automation program and control the automation task. Profinet system at least one I/O controller with I/O device to assign to it. I/O controller is typically to PLC or other control system which configure the I/O devices and exchange the data with number doesn't control with their communication. Functionally similar to a Profibus class 1 master, exchange data with I/O devices. I/O controller map I/O data from Profinet I/O devices into the process image of the controller. In Siemens S7 programmable controller, I/O data, alarms, and status data is mapped into the process image in much the same way it is done for Profibus devices. These data values are then available for use by the control program. I/O controller must support the following kind of services: cyclic data exchange, acyclic data exchange, alarm, and context management. In cyclic data exchange, the exchange of data between I/O controllers and I/O devices. Acyclic data exchange, the exchange of configuration and diagnostic data. In alarm data exchange from I/O device to an I/O controllers. In context management, it used for connection processing. Profinet device types you can see in the pictures, which are I/O supervisory, I/O controller, I/O device, and proxy, including with the Profinet Industrial Ethernet Network and Profibus Fieldbus. And proxy are connecting between the Profinet Industrial Ethernet and Profibus Fieldbus. I/O device, which is a field device, monitor and control by an I/O controller. An I/O device may consist of several modules and submodules. I/O devices are distributed sensor actuator devices connected to the I/O controllers over Ethernet. In Profibus term, I/O devices are similar to a Profibus slaves. In I/O supervisory, I/O supervisor is software typically based on a PC for setting parameters and diagnostic individual I/O devices. I/O supervisory, which is often a programming device, human-machine interface, or personal computer used for monitoring, commissioning, and diagnostic. These devices is similar to a class 2 Profibus master. I/O supervisory can read and write internal diagnostic data associated with a Profinet I/O stack or diagnostic data provided by the application program of a device. I/O supervisory can also read and write configuration data using special non-cyclic record data object services. These type of devices may only be used during the commissioning process, or they may be used as an HMI or display diagnostic data at the end user. Profinet I/O system require at least one I/O controller and one I/O device. System can be configured in various configuration: multiple I/O controllers for a single I/O device, single I/O controllers for multiple I/O devices, and multiple I/O controller with multiple I/O devices. Proxy is a device to connect with Profinet network to a field bus, which is Profibus, because proxy map the same network to Profinet. All the devices of subnetwork are available for Profinet. You can see in the picture some additional parts for the shared device and iDevice. Shared device capability to allow two I/O controller to use the same I/O device, and this is so easy to copy configuration from one I/O controller to another. The benefit to reduce cost of equipment engineering, installation and maintenance. iDevice is abbreviation of intelligent device. iDevice is local I/O controller, and there is also I/O device for central I/O controller. Central I/O controller has direct access to the input-output image in local I/O controller, so communication is simple and fast, and no complex programming or addition communication hardware required. Now we will discuss about Profinet profiles. Profibus and Profinet, an international PI, has working group with representative for many companies including Siemens. These working groups specify the configuration of Profibus and Profinet devices that need special requirements. The specifications are published by PI profiles, and the following are Profinet profiles: Profinet I/O profiles, and including with ProfiDrive, ProfiSafe and ProfiEnergy. Profinet I/O profiles, which provide the integration of distribution field devices via industrial Ethernet. Example of PI profiles are ProfiDrive, ProfiSafe and ProfiEnergy. ProfiDrive profiles allow user to design machines and process with drivers from multiple supplier communication via Profibus or Profinet. ProfiSafe is an integrated safety technology applicable for both discrete manufacturing and process automation, which permit the transmission of standard and safety related data on a single bus cable. ProfiDrive and ProfiSafe are initially developed to its Profibus profiles and later extended to Profinet. Now the ProfiEnergy is a Profinet profile, and ProfiEnergy profiles and enable to design a system with controllers such as PLC that signal equipments refer to an energy consuming units to begin a slave mode to start of the planned pause or unplanned work stoppage. Software in energy consuming unit that how to slave mode. When the slave mode is over, then controller signals of energy consuming unit to resume operation. The use of Profi Energy configuration enables substantial energy saving without a reduction in productivity. I selected some questions from the presentation and I hope it will be helpful for you for the interview. Question number 1 is name of network topologies: star, trees, linear, ring and combined topologies. Question number 2, how many common forms of Profibus? Answer is there are two most forms of Profibus, which are Profibus DP and Profibus PA. Question number 3, can serial communication transmitting and receiving data one bit at a time? Answer is yes. Are all S7-1200 CPU have on-board digital input and output channels and analog input channels? Answer is yes. Which standard available in S7-300 CPU? Answer is Compact C, Failsafe F and Technology T version. How many modules can install with S7-1500 PLC? That can be extended to include up to 32 modules. How many integer types used in SIMATIC S7-1500 PLC? Answer is 8 different integer types used in S7-1500 PLC. Floating point number is also called real number. Question number 9. What is the length of double word? Answer is 32-bit long. Which power represent each position of binary number? Answer is power of 2. Question number 11. Which power represent each position of octal number? Answer is power of 8. I hope you will enjoy this lecture and please support to subscribe, press the bell icon to get the further notification. This is end of lecture. Please help to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.